वैसे तो डेविड धवन ने कई एक्टर्स को डायरेक्ट किया है, मगर इस बार बात कुछ अलग है क्योंकि वरुण धवन खुद डेविड धवन के अंडर काम कर रहे हैं। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव टू आस्क यू सर, सब पूछ चुके हैं मगर वरुण को डायरेक्ट करना कितना अलग था, कितना टफ था एक्चुअली?
कितना मुश्किल था। नहीं, एक्चुअली ये ट्रेंड होके आया मेरे पास करण जौहर के यहाँ से, सो आई थिंक इट हेल्प मी अ लॉट। या इट हेल्प मी अ लॉट, बट एट द सेम टाइम माय वे ऑफ वर्किंग इज़ डिफरेंट, यू नो। मेरा स्कूल भी अलग है, एंटरटेनमेंट का है। सो एक्चुअली व्हाट आई मीन, आई वाज ट्रीटिंग लाइक एनी अदर एक्टर एंड आई वाज टेकिंग हिम फॉर ग्रांटेड। मैं झूठ भी कहूँ, ये कर लेगा, ये तो कर लेगा। एंड लेटर आई रियलाइज दैट आई एम throwing a lot of pressure
on your own son. बट जब ऐसे होता है वरुण की, एज ही सेड कि मैं एज एनी अदर नॉर्मल एक्टर ही वाज ट्रीटिंग यू, तो कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है? कभी लगता है कि नहीं यार, इज ही फॉरगेटिंग दैट आई एम हिज सन? ऐसा कभी लगा आपको?
No, not that. He was not treating me like a normal actor. He was treating me like an actor who's done probably 40-50 films.
Oh God.
And he had forgotten that this is my second film. So I think the first 3-4 days of shoot, it just thump karke it hit me. I said, what is happening, man? I said, कि मतलब there's no preparation time, there's no discussion. He's just like come this. He's like, you're supposed to understand that. And I think once when I started shooting with Anupam sir and Rajpal Yadav and Saurabh sir, I was seeing the way he was dealing with them and I was seeing the way they were dealing with him. So I think when I saw that method, then I got a little easier. So I understood how to go about work then.
Okay, but as he said that you've already been trained by Karan Johar, मगर आपने बचपन से लेके अब तक काफ़ी I'm sure sets पे देखा होगा कि आपके फादर कैसे रहे हैं, तो कुछ प्रिपरेशन तो I'm sure रही होगी।
I think बचपन में मैं ज़्यादातर सेट पे तो जाता नहीं था क्योंकि मैं बहुत I was interested in other things, तो मैं दूसरी चीज़ें करता था, मेरा भाई जाता था। पर मैंने अब तक इनके सारे पिक्चरें देखे हैं। I've been a fan of his cinema, I've been a fan of him as a director besides the fact that he's my father because I love all those films. तो कुछ I mean to some level there was that I understood what he wants. When he said कि मुझे ये चाहिए सीन से, I understood कि what he wants. But कभी कभी क्या होता था, जब मैं शुरू करता था ना, जब मैं एंड होता था, मेरा सीन एंड होता था, he would want me to start from there. He said उधर से शुरू कर, अभी लेके जा, then take it off, go crazy with it. Okay. So that was a little difficult. I had to push myself a lot more to make sure I reach that level of entertainment and it's not been an easy film as an actor for me. Definitely not. It's been a very
as compared to SOTY?
Yeah. As compared to SOTY, SOTY was physically probably more exhausting because of the other things in it and stuff like that, and emotionally. But I think performance-wise, this has been a very mentally and physically very exhausting.
Okay. And so coming back to the film, actually let's talk about मैं तेरा हीरो। एक्चुअली क्या है, पूरा छाप डेविड धवन फिल्म है कि कुछ अलग इसमें आज इस बार देखने को मिलेगा?
मिक्स मैच है थोड़ा सा, बट ऑब्वियसली ओवरऑल व्हेन यू कम आउट यू विल फील इट्स अ डेविड धवन फिल्म। होना भी चाहिए, यू नो, बिकॉज द ऑडियंस वांट्स टू सी मी विथ माय सन। अभी ये क्या कर रहा है दूसरे एक्टरों के साथ, क्या अभी इसके साथ क्या कर रहा है, तो वो बहुत ज़रूरी था वो भी।
I think more than that, they want to see what he would do probably with an actor who's in his mid-20s because he's, I think it's been a while since he's worked with someone of that age group.
Yes.
Or something like that. The younger lot. And make a much... Chashme Badur was very young, definitely, but I think I'm probably the youngest leading man he's had.
Yeah.
Till date. So they would want to see how crazy would a person like me being put in this world, what I would do, not me primarily, but someone in the mid-20s put in that world, how would they deal with those characters or what happens when you're thrown in the mix?
Actually that just struck me. Difficult होता है established actors के साथ काम करना and someone who is like one film old.
There are two ways to it, you know. अभी नए लड़के के साथ कहता हूँ, उसके सरप्राइजेज में मज़ा आता है, बिकॉज यू नो यू टेल हिम अ सीन, ये करना है, खोल दिया छोड़ दिया। अब वो जो मैंने बोला वो तो कर रहा है, उसके अलावा क्या कर रहा है मैं देख रहा हूँ, तो वो उसका मज़ा आता है, उसमें अच्छी चीज़ें मिलती हैं।
जो एस्टैब्लिश एक्टर्स
नो एस्टैब्लिश एक्टर तो मालूम, वो तो ऐसे भी कर देगा वैसे भी कर देगा, पर जब नया आदमी रॉ एक्टर जब करता है ना स्क्रीन में, उसका मज़ा कुछ और आता है। देन दैट रिएक्शन आई गेट ना व्हाइल आई एम वाचिंग इट, आई से शिट दैट्स आई नेवर थॉट लाइक दैट, गुड।
Okay, and Nargis and Elena also are there in the film. Bangkok में भी आपका काफ़ी लंबा शूट हुआ था, तो how was the whole experience working with both of them? How was it?
I think brilliant. I got along very well with both of them. I think Ileana is a sweetheart. She's a little bit more experienced than me, so she was very helpful during the whole process. I think Nargis is just 2 films old, but she was also superb to work with. She's someone like I can push her, hit her, do anything. She's almost like that. She's like a pal for me, you know. So that's how Nargis is. Also, Arunodai Singh is also a very important part of this film. He's 6'5". Has the physical features of a mountain, and that's
call
what
him mountain.
we call him.
Mountain.
Yeah. So I think everyone worked
Very
like a
good.
family. Very honest. It wasn't like, you know, and I'd like to say also, Sinu is not a the character I'm playing is not a hero. He's a character. It's his journey of how he rises to the occasion, how he becomes a hero. That's why I'm saying also, मैं तेरा hero.
डेविड जी, आपकी लास्ट फिल्म जो भी थी चश्मे बदूर, न्यू कमर्स थे, इस फिल्म में भी नरगिस एंड इलियाना के साथ काम करें. हाउ वाज द होल एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद बोथ ऑफ
वेरी गुड. आई हैव एंजॉयड. और पिक्चर कब ख़त्म हो गई मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है यार जल्दी ख़त्म हो गई है. एंड दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द फिल्म्स आई रियली एंजॉयड. मतलब मैंने इतनी सारी फिल्में बनाई हैं. आई बीन डायरेक्टिंग मोर देन 25 years नाउ, बट दिस बीन अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस.
Absolutely. And there were also news that trailer of Main Tera Hero will be attached with Jai Ho. Is it true? Is it happening?
No, it's on work process. जैसे ready होगी, if it can come, we'll try and make it. Otherwise, it is coming. Now it's on the verge, you know.
Okay. And promotions आजकल बहुत important part हो गया फिल्म का. You have to actually go crazy to reach out to the audience to tell them that हमारी फिल्म आ रही है, आके देखो. तो what have you all planned कि promotions में क्या क्या होने वाला है?
You don't know how difficult it is to make him stand here. First of all, he doesn't like promoting films, but
क्योंकि जब से उन्होंने शुरू किया तब promotions इतना important part नहीं थे. तो I think he's still used to that school.
he definitely is used to that school. But I agree with him also to some extent that eventually, if your film is good, it's going to run. If it's bad, it won't. So in a way, we are just trying to get the message out there that, you know, our film is coming. Please go and watch it, and hopefully it'll be one of the good entertaining films of the year. And what we can promise is that there is something new in this film in terms of acting and entertainment. There's a lot of experimental scenes. हम लोग ने कुछ सीधी तरीके से तो किया नहीं है, because that's not his style. So every time we did a scene, he would say नहीं ऐसे नहीं, कुछ अलग करो, कुछ नया करो. And he was the one, being, you know, a 60-year-old on the set, he was the one on set trying to do new things. So I feel that this experience has really helped me as an actor and really opened me up as an actor. And please go watch it.
Promotions के अगर आप कुछ plan है कि
Promotion.
कितना अलग होने वाला है
See,
क्या?
that is the Balaji department which is handling, and they've been very good at it. The promotion from Balaji and Ekta have been outstanding, what they've done, and they are thinking big for this also.
Absolutely.
Wait and watch.
On that note, thank you so much and all the best for Main Tera Hero. Thank you so much.
Thank you.